Okay, this over here, as you can see very carefully, is hydrogen peroxide. I added hydrogen peroxide to 35%, 50 milliliters of hydrogen peroxide with the speaker. 50 milliliters of this hydrogen peroxide to the solution, and it's heating up, and you see a white precipitate, that white precipitate at the top. That white precipitate at the top is partially lead acetate being produced and falling down, but also creating foam and oxygen. So the black part is precipitate of lead. I think this is quite cool, and you can see I don't have the temperature on, but I have it stirring, and I'm checking the temperature. 43.8 degrees Celsius, and this water is being pumped through. This will take a few days for the lead to completely dissolve. 58 grams of lead, and I'll filter it. I have a lead acetate solution, which will be clear after about 2-3 days. I had to buy the concentrated hydrogen peroxide from a Santé Sol type place, and other people will use things like dissolved lead in nitric acid and bad sodium carbonate to get the lead carbonate out, and then add an acid to it, like acetic acid. But I don't have any access to nitric acid, so I had to use this method, which uses acetic acid, lead, acetic acid 25%, and 50 milliliters of ice cold 25% hydrogen peroxide. It's important that it be around 2-3 degrees Celsius or lower when you add it, because if you add it fresh, it'll get really, really hot, and it won't boil, but it'll get really hot. You don't want that. This is a really good method of making lead acetate. It's just a short little video. I hope you like it. It's very interesting how it turned. How you can see it. How it's turning. All that is lead acetate dissolving. Quite a good video, and quite interesting how it reacted very quickly when I added the hydrogen peroxide, so the hydrogen peroxide really was needed. Thanks for watching this video.